This year's edition of the Staff International Week includes faculty members from over 10 prestigious partner universities of academia, coming from various places across European Union, as well as countries outside the European Union, including Brazil, Jordan, Turkey, and Serbia.
Thanks for inviting us here. That was beyond my expectations. The environment, the people, and the quality of education that they have been experiencing here was awesome. In our country, we give a lot of significance to these studies. We have set up a center, education and AI, for faculty members, students, and teachers.
Intelli is an institution deeply committed to reinvent the experience of the students and how they learn. That's why organize a workshop about project-based learning is so important to us.
I'm here in Maribor and I'm really satisfied because of the fact we have shared a lot of ideas between the different participants. So it's quite interesting to notice that everybody faces the same problems, the same challenges. So we shared some solutions.
Participants didn't just learn the new pedagogical methodologies and new teaching approaches using digital tools, using artificial intelligence, but they also shared these experiences and pilot their teaching with our students through the guest lectures that we organize from all the way from Monday to Friday.
Danes sem dobila veliko informacij, ki jih bom uporabljala v nadaljevanju študija. Kot študentka gradbeništva me najbolj zanima, kako se gradbeni projekti izvajajo v tujini, tako z tehničnega kot tudi z organizacijskega vidika. Izkušnja v tujini bi mi dala priložnost, da se poučim delati v mednarodnem okolju, kjer je poudarek na timskem delu, natančnosti in inovativnosti.
I came to this International Staff Week to foster further collaboration between the institutions, but also to learn something new about innovative teaching methods. And I must admit that I learned so many new things which I will implement in my future work.
I'm really enjoying the time here in Maribor, and thank you so much for all the support.
We wanted to present ourselves as good hosts, as any Mariborčan would be so, and we show them the city and the surroundings of our beautiful city of Maribor. Thank you and see you again next year.